Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 19th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I've been saying for a while now, I think this is a three waves down. I think this is three waves up. I think this is going to end up turning into a flat. It's either going to be a running flat, which would go down to probably about the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected off wave B, or it's an expanding flat, which will target like the 161, 178 Fibonacci extension way down there. So either scenario, it looks like we hopefully are in for a pretty good move to the downside. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, I am definitely looking for shorts, but I'm not looking to go short right here. I'm looking to go short on three-way pullbacks. So if we see a nice three-way pullback, maybe throw your Fibonacci retracement out there, look for a Fibonacci bounce, look for an engulfing move to the downside. If we are correct about our higher time frames, there's a pretty good chance that this has a lot more downside potential. I would expect it to at least go down and take out the lower wave 4 and maybe even this low over here before we see too much of a significant pullback. So definitely looking for shorts on pullbacks on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.